edges because this material frays a lot, and for some reason the machine isn't sewing on the other material, this pink, peach colored, it's over there, very well. I wish I hadn't got it now because it's really hard to sew. Anyway, so I'm just doing a straight seam along the edges so that they don't fray out after they're sewn together and put on walls. So that's what I'm doing on both ends. These are the tie backs for the curtains that I'm working on. Anyway, hard to do one-handed. This part won't show. It'll be the inside of the tie back. It's basically just to keep it from unraveling. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, I went out and got this material and that, and I'm going to do the same thing, just sewing around all the raw edges so that the material doesn't fray out. And here I started on the peach color material, or blush, and basically just doing the same thing, keeping the material lined up with this side of the presser foot right down the center of it, so I have even spacing all the way around. Again, really hard to do while I'm filming, but just so you get an idea, just like that. Okay, I'm going to put this down somewhere else so that I don't mess up. Okay, I thought I'd bring you back. I'm sewing the curtain panels together. Well, not together, but I'm doing the edges on them to clean them up. Just turn the corner. Back stitching to make sure it locks it down. Up in here so that you can see, but yet I still have time, place to work. Okay, that's it. All right, I'm going to go press these open, or yeah, press the seams down that I just sewed, and then I will be back. So I've sewn the edges, turned them inside out, and then I went back to the ironing board, excuse the pun, and turned these under or inside so that I have a nice smooth edge here. And then what I'm going to do is, this is my Velcro. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take half of the Velcro and sew it to one side. Probably not a very big piece. So I'll make two seams. One, I don't know if you can see. I'll make one seam across here, one seam across the bottom. Well, I'll cut it first and then sew it. And then I'll take the other side of the Velcro and I'll do the same thing over here, so that when it goes around the curtain to pull the curtains back, that seam will be in the back and this will be in front. I'm just gonna, it doesn't have to be very big. there. Just a little, just to hold it so it holds the curtain back. And then I'll just sew it down this road here and then come back up the other side. Doing that, not only did I sew this last seam shut, where'd my other clippers go? There they are. So I sewed that one open seam shut that I used to turn the material right side out, but I also sewed on the Velcro strip. And now I'm going to do that to all of them right now on one side. The side with the seam, and then the side that this side I'll sew it on the side that doesn't have a seam on it, so that it will wrap around and hook like that, and then when the curtain, then you don't see the seam in here. So that's what I'm going to do to the rest of these. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got the one side done with the kind of rough part. Hello. Okay, I am working on putting the little tabs on the curtains that slide to make the curtains be able to slide back and forth. So what I've done is, let me turn you around here. These are the old curtains, and I cut all the tabs out. You can see they were on a clear piece of plastic, and we've cut those tabs off, but I hung on to these for measurement's sake. Let me show you the tab. Okay, so you can tell they're a little piece of plastic. So here's one of the tabs that I cut off. They are like that, and this little piece right here slides through a metal bracket that's screwed to the walls so the curtains can go back and forth like on a curtain rod. So what I did was I bought this twill tape, and let's go back over here and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm sewing the little tabs and the twill tape to the top of the curtain so that I can slide these things in and have the panel, the panels. Not the easiest thing in the world to do. As you can tell, I've got my needle all the way to the left when I'm doing the top of the tab. I'm sewing the top of the tab on with the needle all the way to the left. Then when I switch and sew this side down here, I will move the needle all the way to the right. And I get to do this for about, I think, 24 curtains. Fun. Anyway, so like I said, it's not the easiest thing in the world, and it's very, very slow work. I will try to videotape it for you, but no guarantees that you'll be able to see, because I'm having a hard enough time seeing myself. Okay, let me get the camera set up and I'll be right back. Like I said, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see, but I'm going to do my best. So what I've done is I folded over the raw edge, pressed it down, and now I'm working on the top part. So here we go. And I've marked where each tab goes with a little pencil mark. I don't know if you can see that right there. I got pencil marks on the white twill tape so that I can see where the center is for the tabs, so I know where to place them on each one. And I just hold them down, and when I get to the plastic part of the tab, I slow down because I don't want to break my needle. Keep going, keep it lined up. So I'll videotape for a little while, but I'll turn off the sound and let you listen to some music if I can find some decent stuff. Here we go. So I've sewn them all down on this side and on this side. And there's the front. So, it's going to take me a while. It's pretty slow going, but I will get there. So I've already got one done. Here it is over here. You can see the tabs are on it. And here's this one. So yeah, it's going to take me probably all day, but I just wanted to give you that little bit of information so you could see what was going on. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but after this part's done, because the balances are completed, the curtains are made, I'm just putting the tabs on, and then the tie backs are all done. I've ordered wallpaper to do the walls with, so I can't install the curtains until the wallpaper's up. So I'll wait to do that. The wallpaper should be in, I think, Thursday. Today's Thursday. Okay, a week from today. I was going to tell you something else. Wallpaper. Oh, it looks like beadboard. And it's paintable, and it's pre-pasted. So, yeah, I'll get that done, but I don't want to put anything up in there because I'll just have to take it down. As far as the outside goes, I've got all the stuff. Let me take you in here and show you. TrailManor company, whatever corporation. Ooh, it got dark. Hold on. Okay, TrailManor, Sonia to be exact. S-O-N, let's see, her email is sonja@trailmanor.com. She has been a doll, and she has quickly sent me everything I need for fixing the seal bag seal, the thing that seals the two in, when you put it up, it seals it. So she sent me everything for that, bless her heart, very quickly. And then let me show you, she just sent me this. The, oh, what's it called? There it is. It's it goes, you know, the very top of the motorhome or the trailer, from front to back where the two metal sheets hook together, and there's a little seam. This is the material or plastic stuff that goes over it. And yeah, it's different than the old stuff that I took off. The old stuff had this sticky stuff down the center, but now they've got it on the side, which is okay, I guess. I mean, I don't really have a choice, and she was kind enough to send this to me. So I'm really glad now that I ordered and got, I think I showed it to you in the last video, or maybe it was in the start of this video, I don't remember, this stuff. There's the bag seals. Yeah, I still gotta figure that out. But I'm really glad I ordered this because I'm going to put it down where the two pieces of metal meet on top of the roof after I clean it real good. And then I'll put this down over that and hopefully get a really waterproof seal. Okay, well, I am going to go back to sewing. I just wanted to give you an update of what I was doing. So yeah, that's about it. And it's a great day to be sewing because it's raining, it's cloudy. Not a lot I would want to be doing outside anyway. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to go back to sewing. I just wanted to give you an update of what was happening. All right, I'll be back later. Bye.